I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color, icon, and appearance of lists in your Reminders app on your iPhone. So first, we're going to open up our Reminders app. Then we'll go back to Lists by tapping the top left. And in our list, you can create a list by adding one on the bottom right. But if you want to change a list's attributes, you'll tap the three dots on the top right. Then you're going to click Edit List. Now, for example, let's say I want to edit my grocery list. I'm going to tap the little eye icon to the right of the grocery list. And here you now have the icon, color, and name of this list. So I'm going to leave it as grocery list, but you can change the list type to standard or groceries. Groceries will automatically organize into sections. And let's say I want my groceries to be tan and I want it to actually look like groceries. So I'm going to scroll through these icons and I see this little basket icon. So I'm going to use that. So now I have changed my appearance of this list. I'll click done. And as you can see in my lists here, it shows grocery list with the little basket, and I can click done on the top right, and now the appearance and color and the icon has changed.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.